All right, welcome back to 5 Minute Mechanic. We are going to come back and readdress this throttle rod here, whatever we call that. I changed that adjustment yesterday to try and get it to work, and it was not right. And I'm guessing that something in here is locked up. So I'm gonna hurry and get that taken back apart. I really do only have 5 minutes tonight. Well, I only have 5 minutes every night. That's why I decided to do this. But I figured if that 5 minutes every day, eventually it'll get accomplished. We can get something taken care of here. So that is the goal. And to try and help other people recognize that sometimes you just gotta spend a few minutes. You can start working on your problem. When I went out in the last video and looked at the other car, I recognized that this is definitely in the wrong position and needs to be moved back. How far? I don't know. Ugh. Sometimes the 5 minutes you get won't be exactly what you want. May not be the most productive use of the time, but there's some reason that this is not moving. It is definitely stuck. There's a similar issue on the green car, but it moves, it just doesn't return right. This one's not going anywhere. I don't think I have anything up on the throttle pedal. Hard to say. But that's kind of the next step that we have here, because we can double check the fuel linkage or the fuel rail, fuel lines. See if those are tight. That one's not. Oh. All right, I guess they're just in here just enough to make sure they're in. I guess these fittings are tight. They didn't come apart. Over to this side. I think you'll be able to see him. Dropped it there. Now these cars have an internal filter. Maybe other carburetors of this vintage do as well. Right here on each of these carburetors, there is a little stone that the fuel passes through. Again, that might be standard on all these types of any older vehicles. To be honest with you, my dad was a Corvair guy. I grew up with Corvairs. When I was 15, he said, if you want help with a car, get a Corvair. If you want anything else, you're doing it on your own. And you can kind of see, I don't know if you can see it in the video, but this is twisting. So that means we need to get a different wrench and tighten that fitting back up first. But so we'll back that back off. We can tighten that up. That might be about it. We are gonna come over here real quick and take a look inside the cabin just to see if I happen to have something in the way. Sorry. Sorry, bad view of the throttle pedal. Nope. Again, like I said, this is kind of turned into a bit of a storage unit. There's the rims I was talking about in one of the previous videos. Get this all cleaned up. All right. Well, that's probably going to be our 5 minutes for the day. Like I said, sometimes you get a bit more done than others, but spent 5 minutes on it. A little bit more progress. Hopefully tomorrow we'll make some more. Thank you. Join me again at 5 Minute Mechanic.